Hello all, welcome to my channel Arya and Harika. In this video we will see lesson number 17 Siriya Uruvam Periya Ulagam. I'll explain in English and the difficult words in Telugu. Let me know if you have any concerns through the comment section. Also please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Lesson number 17 Siriya Uruvam Periya Ulagam. Siriya small, Uruvam body, Periya big, Ulagam world, Prapancham. స్మాల్ బాడీ బట్ బిగ్ వరల్డ్, చిన్ని శరీరం పెద్ద ప్రపంచం. ఓ కుట్టి స్మాల్ ఎరుంబే యాంట్, ఓ స్మాల్ యాంట్. ఉన్నై విడై పెరియ బిగ్, బిగ్గర్ దాన్ యూ. అరిసై రైస్ ఎప్పటి హౌ, తూకి లిఫ్టింగ్. సెల్గిరాయ్ taking, how you are taking the rice which is bigger than your size. Ask Kanmani, this girl name is Kanmani. See, ant is holding big rice. Adede பார்த்து கொண்டு இருக்கும் போதே, while looking itself, உள்ளே inside, சென்று விட்டாயே, they went. All the ants went inside while looking itself. Says Kanmani. நானும் I also, உன்னை போல் like you. சிறியதாக small one. இருந்தால் if I were small like you. உன்னுடனேயே with you. வந்திருப்பேனே I would have come. என்றால் Kanmani. Said Kanmani. Kanmani said, I would have come with you if I were small like you. Next, what happened? சட்டென்று suddenly, அவளுடைய her உடல் body அதிர்ந்தது shocked. Her body got shocked suddenly. உருவம் shape or figure. சிறியதாக விட்டது became smaller. Her shape became smaller. சுற்றிலும் around. பார்த்தால் saw, she saw around. எறும்பின் ants அளவுக்கு to its size. தானும் she also சிறியதாகி became small. இருப்பதை கண்டு find out. வியப்படைந்தால் was surprised. She surprised to see around and she is very small like ant. எறும்பு ant நுழைந்தா entered. புற்றுக்குள் into the ant hill. இறங்க to get down. முயற்சி try. செய்தால் she did. She tried to enter the ant hill. தடுமாறினாள் she stumbled. Stumbled means தடபடடம் in Telugu. பொத்தென்று like a button. புற்றுக்குள் into the ant hill. விழுந்தாள் she fall down. She fall down into a button like ant hill. இந்த புற்றுக்குள் in this ant hill. இத்தனை these many. இத்தனை means many. அறைகளா rooms. அறைகள் means rooms. In this ant hill these many rooms. எறும்புகளின் ants சேமிப்பை storage. Storage means the food they collected. கண்டால் she found ants storage. எறும்பு ant புற்றுங்கள் ant hills. அங்கும் there, இங்கும் here. சென்று went பார்த்தால் she saw ant hills going here and there. வியப்பு surprise குறையாமல் without diminishing, without losing. புற்றை விட்டு leaving the ant hill. வெளியே outside. వందాల్ she came. ఆశ్చర్యపడుతూనే బయటికి వచ్చేసింది. అరుగిలిరుంద నియర్ బై. మరద్దడిயில் అండర్ ద ట్రీ. అమరందాల్ sat down. She sat down nearby under the tree. She went around and came down. Maraddin tree மேலே on the top ஒரு தேன்கூடு. தேன்கூடு means beehive, தேனப்பட்டு இருந்தது. There was a beehive on the tree. தேனீகள் honey bees எப்படி how கூடு. கூடு means hive. கட்டுகின்றன how they built, how the honey bees built the beehive. தேனை honey சிந்தாமல் without thinking எப்படி how சேமிக்கின்றன saved, how they saved the honey. அதையும் that also. பார்க்க வேண்டுமே should see என்று like that. நினைந்தால் decided, she decided to see how they saved the honey. உடனே immediately அவளுக்கு for her, for கண்மணி சிறகுகள் wings முளைத்தன germinated. She got wings suddenly like honeybees. See, she also having wings. She also flying like honeybees, and she is looking how they are collecting and saving the honey. Ooh, ooh, yeah. மகிழ்ச்சியில் in happiness. கத்தினாள் shouting. She is shouting with happiness. பறந்து by flying. சென்று went. தேன்கூடுக்குள் into the beehive. புகுந்தாள் entered. She entered the beehive by flying there. Next, what happened? பலவகை means varieties. Different variety of தேனீகளை honeybees ஆர்வமாக very interestingly பார்த்தாள். She saw. இவ்வளவு this much. சிறிய தேனீ small honey bee. இத்தனை these many வேலைகள் works செய்கிறதா. Is it doing? This much small honeybee is doing these many works. வியப்பு surprise தாளவில்லை can't bear this surprise. தேன் கூடை விட்டு leaving the beehive வரவே to come out மனமில்லை not willing to come out. தயங்கியபடியே hesitatingly வெளியே outside வந்தாள். She came out hesitatingly. She is not willing to come out of the honey beehive. மரக்கிளையில் on the tree branches அமர்ந்தாள். She sat down. கீழே down அழகான beautiful நீரோடை water stream. It's a small water stream. அதில் in that மீன்கள் fishes நீந்துவதை means swimming பார்த்தாள். She saw fishes swimming. மீன்களைப் போல like fishes நீந்த வேண்டுமென்று to swim ஆசை wish வந்தது. She got wish to swim like those fishes in the water stream. See, she is sitting on the tree branch and she is looking into the water. See, beautiful fishes are swimming. So she also wished to swim like the fishes. அடுத்து next என்ன what நடந்திருக்கும் what would have happened, what would have happened next. கதையை story தொடர்ந்து continue கூறுக create and continue the story. Hope you understood the lesson. Try to read and enjoy the lesson. Thanks for watching and happy learning.